In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play a dice game called Ship, Captain, and Crew. Hi friends, welcome back to So Obvious. I'm a Polinar. Working in a nursing home, I've learned a lot of games that I never would have been exposed to otherwise. And now I want to show you guys one more. It's called Ship, Captain, and Crew. There is actually variations of ways people play this game, and it all kind of depends on the group of people that you're playing with and whether or not you guys are playing for money. The game is super simple. It doesn't take a lot of items to play. All you need is dice, 5 dice to be precise, and then maybe a piece of paper and a pen to keep score. This game is perfect for people of all ages, and it's great for people who are competitive. It's great to use for older adults with dementia who may not necessarily know what's going on, but the act of playing a game and being included is actually good for them. So it's great to play with your family, children, and adults because it doesn't take too much and it's relatively easy to play. So like I said, there's 2 different ways for you to play this game. I'm going to start with the easy way. This is the way that I recommend to play with children, or if you're an activity professional working in a nursing home, this might be the best way just because it's a little bit easier to score and it keeps people a little bit more engaged. So the point of this game is for you to roll the dice and get your ship, your captain, and your crew. Those are the numbers 4, 5, and 6. Ship, captain, crew. Once you get all 3 of those things, then you can actually score using the last remaining 2 dice, which means that if you do not get your ship, captain, and crew, then you don't score for that. Some people play until one person reaches 100. Whoever reaches 100 wins. And then there's some people who just play for a limited amount of time, and whoever has the highest score at the end of the time wins. I've done both ways. I found the way that works best for like nursing home and for children is whoever reaches 100, especially if you have a lot of people. Okay, so the first way I do it, which is with children and adults, I have it where everyone gets 3 rolls. Within those 3 rolls, you're trying to get your ship, your captain, and your crew. If you roll and you only get 1, let's say you roll and all you get is a 5, then you're allowed to set that 5 aside and then re-roll the remaining dice. And as long as you get your 4, 5, and 6 within those 3 rolls, then you're okay, using the last 2 dice to get your score. So let's try it. Okay, so here I have 4, 5, and a 6. So on my first roll, I got my ship, my captain, and my crew. So I only use one of my 3 rolls, which means that either I can take this 7 as my score, or I can re-roll, try and get a bigger number. Now I got a 6. I still have one more roll because that was only my second one. So let's see what I get. Oh, I got a 4, which means that for this round, I get 4 points, and now it's the next person's turn to roll. Now, the second way that people play is a little bit harder to score. You still get 3 turns to roll, but you have to get the ship, the captain, and the crew all in the same roll, which means that you are less likely to score at the end of that round. This version of the game works really well if there is money involved. I know that a lot of people in bars tend to play this game just to keep themselves entertained. So let's see if I can roll all 3. I have 2 6s and 3 3s. If we were playing Yahtzee, that'd be a full house, but we're not. So now I gotta draw again. Now I got 2 4s, 2 5s, and a 3. One more time. Now I got 2 2s, a 3, and 2 6s. See, when you do it this way, it's a little bit harder to score. So if you're playing with younger children or people with dementia who get easily distracted, this version may not be the best way for you to go. If you like today's video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram on @apollylook. There, I post about my upcoming projects and any videos I'll be posting on here. If you didn't like today's video, then I need you to write me a 14-page paper, 12-point font, single line spacing, telling me why you didn't like it, and I'm gonna need you to have at least 5 sources that support your point of view. Bye-bye.